Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the YouTube TV military discount tutorial. If you're in the military, staying entertained is important, and YouTube TV offers great options. Now, let's see how you can check and apply for a military discount on YouTube TV. First, go to the YouTube TV website and log in, or create an account. Then look for the military discount section, usually found under subscription settings. After that, verify your military status using services like Share ID or IT.me. You'll need document like a military ID, Veteran Health Identification Card, or DD to forward in form. Next, submit the required documentation and wait for your verification to be approved. Now, once verified, the discount will be applied to your account automatically or through a promo code. Finally, if you face issues like verification failures or discount not applying, reach out Share ID, ID.me, or YouTube TV support for team. YouTube TV offers military personnel access to extensive channels, unlimited DVR storage, and savings through its discount program, making it a great option for entertainment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro Dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.